All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Brain Damage by Eminem. Personally, one of my favorite Eminem songs ever. Really awesome. You guys should definitely go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these pair of Yeezys. Okay, so we are going to be taking a look at the 350 V2 Naturals. This is actually my sister's shoe, so, you know, it's not mine. She did go a size 9. She did go up half a size because you always go half a size up in Yeezys. It's just something you always do. And the reason that these aren't in the box is because it's really hard to open a Yeezy box with one hand. So, yeah, that's why. And something new that they started doing, I don't know if this is like the first pair that started doing this, it comes with extra laces, which is kind of cool. Like, they've never done that before, I don't think. I'm not really into Yeezys like that much anymore. I do have like 1 or 2 pairs, but my Zions didn't come with extra laces, so must be something relatively new. And the laces are like a nice cream color to go with the shoe. It's basically just the same laces that are in right now, except these laces are actually infinity laces. And the only way to actually take this out is to cut them. Like, here, let me move the rubber thing. Like, you know, you can't take it out. They are like stitched together. So just wanted to point that out to you guys. The only way to take these out is to cut them, which kind of sucks, not gonna lie. And here, let me show you guys the shoe all by itself. Overall, I think the shoe is okay. Nothing crazy. Like, I don't think this is like a must-have Yeezy, but it is one of the better ones that came out this year. I'm not gonna lie. And something cool that they did add was like this little like striped gold pattern, I guess, all around the shoe. I don't know if you can see it. Like right there, it's gold. Really like that, not gonna lie. And this part right here is actually all reflective, just like the dark brown part. You can't really see it too well because I do have the light on, but it is reflective, trust me. They only made reflective pairs, so there isn't like a non-reflective version. Here, let me show you guys the tags. Again, she got these from Adidas, so they're 100% real. It's really easy to get Yeezys now, so, you know, it shouldn't be too hard. Let me show you guys the insole. I don't know, she really likes them. She hasn't worn them yet, obviously. She got them like a while ago, but I just haven't gotten the chance to make a video on them until now. Overall, really clean pair. It kind of reminds me of the Lundmarks that came out last year, I think, or a couple months. Actually, I think they came out last year. So, you know, okay, a lot of Yeezys do look the same, not gonna lie, but this is one of the better pairs that came out, and overall I think you guys should pick it up. Not sure how much resale is. I'm assuming it's probably around 240, 250. And in case you guys didn't know, retail is 220. You'll end up paying around 240 to like around that price range after tax and shipping, depending on where you live. And I don't know if your guys' shoe has this. It has like the little indent right here, not sure why, and you can like push it in. Not sure. Also, they did like go with like a yellowed age midsole, which I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like it could have looked better with just like a regular translucent one. The bottom is translucent, so I feel like if it was all just like this, it would look a lot better. It kind of looks like my zebras that I have worn for like 2 years and are really beat up. Here, let me show you guys the insole, or like not the insole, the inside of the shoe one more time. Just that nice gold color. Really like that part. That's my favorite part of the shoe, I'm not gonna lie. Overall, really solid, clean pair of shoes, and you guys should definitely pick it up if you guys are interested. I think they're worth it. You could wear these every single day. They could go with anything. Really solid pair of shoes. And let's actually take a look at these on feet. But before we do that, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, thanks for watching.